Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Marika and today I'm going to share with you all the things that I got from the Nykaa sale. Recently had a pink love sale and I shopped not much but some things from there and I'm excited to show you guys. It's a mix of products. I have skincare, I have makeup, um, yeah, that's about it. So I'll start with skincare first. First thing I got was a product which was in my wish list for long. If you follow me on Instagram, you'd know that Cosrx nail products did not suit me at all. Know it works for so many of you guys, but it didn't work for me. It gave me breakouts, and upon research, I researched a lot, and I found out that if you have dust mite allergy or dust allergy or sort, you might or not react well to it. So I decided to go for another product from Cosrx, another toner, which I've heard is really good too. And this is the Propolis Synergy Toner. So far I have used it twice, but I'm going to give you a detailed review on this soon if you want. So please give a comment below if you want my views on this toner. But so far I've been loving it. I have not broken out from it, so that's good news. Yeah, another skincare product that I got from the sale is this, a mask from Simple, their vitamin C clay mask. It says that it draws out impurities and helps brighten skin. It has vitamin C, E, ginger root, yuzu and clay. So yeah, has no color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals. And let me just show you the texture. So I've loved Simple face wash, moisturizers, everything I've used from them. I've loved it. It's very no fuss. Can't just go wrong with them mostly. So I'm excited. The next thing I got is this brush by Mars, and I've used brushes by Pack, I've used Mac, of course, but this brush by Mars has taken me by surprise because it was just around 400 or something, but it's a steal deal because you not only get this two sides, but you have this and this, which I think is brilliant when you're on the go or for every day also. And it's so convenient. You put it in your bag and that's it. With it, you don't need 100 brushes. You just need a brush and a beauty blender, and you're good to go. So I think it's genius. Talking about the beauty blender, this is my new beauty blender. I've already used it. I got this from Colorbuy. It was on good offer and I got it, and I'm so glad I did it. Now I swear I'm not sponsored by Bag, but I did want to try their new launch um, that they made in collaboration with Sarah. That's Dewy Liquid Blush. The beautiful holographic packaging it comes. I'm going to show you how it looks. So I have the doe foot applicator, and I'm just gonna, I love the color. It is a beautiful shade. I think it gives you a dewy finish. Reminds me so much of the Rare Beauty liquid blushes. So I'll be trying this and letting you guys know too. The next thing I got was also something I've been meaning to get for a while, and it is the Benetint, and it was available in a combo with their Super Setter Spray. So I got this combo. I used Benetint years back and I loved it then. I never repurchased it ever again because I started using different Korean tints, but I had to revisit this tint because it's really truly phenomenal. Swatch of this Benetint. I'll just show you on my cheeks again. So this and beautiful tint, a very natural, beautiful tint. You can use it on your lips. It's very natural. It's very beautiful. It does have a weird aftertaste, but yeah, I don't complain about that because this didn't last on me for very long. This is the Super Setter Spray. It's a mini Super Setter Spray. I think it's so cute. And the next thing I got is the Mars lip liner, and I've heard so much from my friends that how Their lip liners are. So this is the shade. I got the shade Exotic Brown. It's not a brownish brown. It looks a bit of reddish brown. Nice. It's smooth. And it was very affordable. 69 rupees, but I did get an offer on it too. So I think Mars has nailed this with its it's very smooth and the color is beautiful. Last product on my haul is a lipstick. So none of my haul is complete without a lipstick. I'm a hoarder like that. So I have got the Lakme lip mousse and I got the shade Scarlet Siren. Can you see the color? I have another product which I completely forgot to show, which is this Plum or the perfume in smoking vanilla. So I heard all the craze around. I thought I should give it a go. I'm a huge vanilla lover, but I don't like sickly sweet smell. It gives me a bad migraine. So overall, I think for how much was it? 345? No, it was not 345. It was around 200 something. For 200, I think this is a bang for a buck, and I recommend you guys to try it. That is my alcohol. I got a lot of things. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.